Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to RuelTV. I hope all of you are doing good. It's nice to see you again. Are you a fan of editing? Well, this channel is for you. This channel teaches different concepts of editing that will surely enhance and develop your editing skills. I know you are new to this channel. Just be updated to latest concept of editing. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and hit that notification bell so that you are always updated and notified to all of my branded and amazing manipulation of editing. You are really lucky since you are in a channel wherein all editing skills are packed. And now, let's do edits!
Standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto the phone. And I wished I'd had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into my eyes and never let it go. I saw the guy that she was waiting for. He had no flowers in his hands and no time to say hello. If I were in his place, I know I would have kissed her slow.
Used to be young and free. I remember her like it was yesterday. She was so beautiful to me. In my mind sometimes I'll run away to this time back in history. She reminds me of the summertime, way back in 2003. Hey, she was a cutie in a sundress. I told her I just had to confess, I got a crush on you, darling. Them long tan legs got me falling. And I know we just met, yeah. But I heard that love at first sight ain't a myth. Oh no, yeah. I wanna take you out on a dance floor, girl. I wanna hear you screaming out for some more, girl. I wanna do something that they call crazy, call you my baby, my pretty lady. I wanna be with you until we're fucking 80. I wanna watch the sunset with you daily, keep my baby safe as we live, always chasing, hearts racing. When I'm with you, I'm just saying, back to all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her like it was yesterday. She was so beautiful to me. In my mind sometimes I'll run away to this time back in history. She reminds me of the summertime, way back in 2003. Hey. I've been chilling on the coast with my homegirl, the palm trees and the time moving slow, girls. Back to my place, hey, you can call it home, girl. Pina coladas on tap, we alone, girl. I want a piece of you, you want a piece of me. Ray-Bans on, gotta block out the heat. I love your smile too, I've never felt so free. Bring it on, girl, work that body here to me. And I know that summer only lasts 3 months, yeah. We got the whole world, travel with me, girl. And we'll never stop chasing the sun. That's right. On the run, we ain't done till we find what we want. So we can stop anytime we want. Cause we on the run, we ain't done till we find what we want. But I already found the one. I think back to all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her like it was yesterday. She was so beautiful to me. In my mind sometimes I'll run away to this time back in history. She reminds me of the summertime, way back in 2003.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move.
I'm unstoppable, do the impossible. I'm irresponsible, yet I'm phenomenal. I got an arsenal, I'm dropping bombs, you know. No, I'm not stopping, no. Conquer the obstacle. To the top, here I go, think I'm chosen to be the king of rock, think the people have spoken. I can hear the tick-tock of the clock, I'm in motion. So now I'm gonna pop, causing all this commotion. Yeah, sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable. Yeah, ready to go, man, lock and load. That's right, I swear to God that I could drop it, bro. I got a shot and I ain't stopping, no. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable.
Finally, we are now done. Just simply save it and it will look like this.
Yeah, let's go. I don't care what they all say, I'ma do this thing my way.
Want more videos? Don't worry, I have a lot of tutorials that I will going to upload soon. Just subscribe to be updated. If you enjoy watching the video, please don't forget to give a like. And if you have some questions, suggestions or clarifications about the video, just leave it to the comment section below and I'll see you there. See you next time!